Saw video? Cool, man.
I think they're still shooting.
Total panic at the mall. Look as terrified shoppers run for their lives. Inside, more mayhem.
Someone's shooting.
They all think they've heard gunfire and an active shooter is on the loose.
There's children falling, like people are dragging children, people are getting stepped on. There are elderly people falling. I mean, it was absolute mayhem.
9 people were injured and the entire mall
Wait.
was evacuated. And guess what? It was all a false alarm.
In these tense times, the slightest thing can set off mass hysteria. So what caused the panic in the mall in Orlando? Turns out it was 6 balloons being popped as part of a test of the fire alarm system. You can just imagine how shoppers could mistake the noise for gunfire.
Balloons were in the mall and popped. Multiple people thought they were gunshots. We're getting multiple reports for falls due to everyone scrambling.
Just 2 weeks ago,
Okay.
Now new at 11, a Cobb County jewelry store released
I think that one might have been possibly.
surveillance video of a man they say stole a diamond worth thousands of dollars and walked right out the front door. Channel 2's Matt Johnson live in Cobb County, and they say the man switched out that diamond, Matt, with a fake.
Easy.
Employees say this man is no amateur, but what might do him in are the cameras inside the store and also the ones outside. Watch as this man casually
240p.
walks into a Smyrna jewelry store for the second time on Monday. Employees tell me he spent 2 hours in the store earlier and came back after closing to say he wanted to buy a $28,000 engagement diamond. Right when he was going to pay for it, Candy Johnson says he told the staff he needed to step outside for a cigarette.
We realized about as soon as he left that he had swapped our 2-carat diamond with a cubic zirconia.
Johnson says by the time her staff at D. Geller and Son Diamonds on Cobb Parkway went outside to find him, he was long gone.
It's a stomach-dropping experience, for sure.
Footage from the store's security cameras is also in the hands of Smyrna police. Employees say when the man made the swap, he did it in an area with no overhead cameras.
At some point, he was able to kind of do a sleight of hand. He was definitely a professional.
When staff notified the officials
An
of the
actual
Jeweler
pro.
Security Alliance in New York, they noticed the suspect's face was familiar. They gave us this photo of what appears to be the same man outside of a Virginia jewelry store where he's accused of pulling off the same crime. Now the hope is that the video and pictures will lead to an arrest.
Don't like it happening to us. We don't want it to happen to anyone else either.
Employees tell me, unfortunately, there's no video of a possible getaway vehicle. It's unclear if the suspect even lives in Georgia. Live in Cobb County,
Jeez.
Matt Johnson, Channel 2 Action News, Night Beat.
Okay then. I mean, I think diamonds themselves are kind of a scam. Then, what is this? Oh, it's one of those machines. See, that noise is kind of annoying though. This is what happens when they scan your brain. Holy shit!
xQc, here's your favorite numbers 7.
That's insane.
This is crazy that this is happening while you're inside of it. Imagine if anything went wrong, dude. Like inside the thing. And I'll start going. At the speed it's going, dude, it just go bang! You just instantly die. Yeah. I know it won't, and it probably will never, or... Interesting. That was interesting. Okay, one last link. That was actually interesting. Oh, what is that? ICSI. CSI Miami? Interesting. I don't know what that is. Who knows? Next. Okay, chat, guys. Actually, last link chat, then we go to the game time. What is this?
Alright, boo boo, you have a good one. Hit my line after work, though. What? Let's have a good one. Hey, get your bitch ass out and stop playing. Come on, yo. Chill, yo. Have a good one. You cute, though.
What the fuck type of gay ass shit is you on, man?
What you mean, bro? I said have a good day.
Y'all weird as hell in this game.
I'm weird. Alright, sweetie pie.
Stop playing with me with your goofy ass, bro.
What you mean, bro? Alright, boo boo.
Man, get the fuck back.
Alright, finance.
What?
Finance.
Man, come on, bro. That bullshit.
What you mean, bro? Damn. Honey bun.
Say what, man?
Say honey bun.
What the fuck you mean, honey bun, man? Like a honey bun to you, man?
Nah. Alright, cutie patootie.
Stop playing with me before I fuck you up, yo.
Fuck me up. For what?
Stop playing with me, boy.
Said have a good day.
Bullshit. Stop playing with me.
All right. Oh, what is that? Dude, we saw this yesterday. Were we not there when we watched it? We saw this yesterday. Why is he putting sharp metal? Just put a brick. I think it's better when they put a brick in it. Dude. Just dump the brick, dude. Yeah, that's literally a grenade. It's tough though. Oh, advance a little bit. Jeez. Guys, this is really dangerous. Who knows why it's still going? Dude. What the fuck did he throw in there? Okay, dude. Oh my god. Okay.
I'm built differently, I'm built differently, I'm built differently, yeah.